Culinary workshop, a flavorful journey into cooking. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, culinary workshop. This term might sound complex, but we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to learn. So, let's dive into the delicious world of culinary arts. Culinary workshop combines two words, culinary, meaning related to cooking or kitchens, and workshop, a place where people learn and practice skills. Together, this phrase refers to a learning environment focused on cooking. It's a place where you can learn new recipes, cooking techniques, and explore different cuisines. Think of it as a classroom, but for cooking. Culinary originates from the Latin word culina, meaning kitchen. It's an adjective that describes anything related to cooking. Examples: culinary skills, culinary arts, culinary delights. Workshop. A workshop is a space for learning and practicing skills. It's more interactive and hands-on than a traditional classroom. Workshops can be for various skills, not just cooking. Culinary workshops are not just about learning to cook. They are a cultural experience and a way to connect with others. They often involve exploring cuisines from different cultures, learning about healthy eating and nutrition, sharing meals and experiences with fellow participants. You might hear this phrase in different contexts. I'm attending a culinary workshop to improve my baking skills. The culinary workshop at the community center offers vegetarian cooking classes. It's also commonly used in advertising for cooking classes or in educational settings. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase, culinary workshop. It's a term that combines the joy of cooking with the excitement of learning something new. So, next time you hear about a culinary workshop, you'll know exactly what it's all about. Keep practicing your English, and remember, learning a language is like cooking. It gets better with time and practice. Happy learning!